Hey guys, so today we have a pretty cool video card that came in. Unfortunately, if you were looking for the super version of this one, this isn't quite it, but we did snag this one for a pretty good deal on Amazon, so we did pick it up. This is the MSI Ventus XS, and if I pronounce that wrong, sorry about that. But anyways, it's a GeForce RTX 2060 card. Has a ray tracing, DirectX 12, GDDR6. We're just gonna do a quick unboxing just to take a look. It's pretty nice. It's a cheaper card. It's not a super expensive one. It's MSI, so it's a good name brand. But anyways, let's get into it. Let's just do it. So it looks like, so here's the back. Kind of just talks about the software it has, MSI Alpha Burner. This is the features, the basic stuff. Okay. There's the top. MSI. There's the MSI logo. Just the basic stuff. This one does have 6 gigs of RAM. Now the thing is, the 1070 Ti does have 8 gigs, which does help it a lot more, especially future-proof it. I'm not too sure why they gave the 2060 6 gigs for that reason, but anyways, look, I mean 6 gigs is usually pretty good enough, but if you're really looking to push it all the way, this is supposed to be more for, I would say it's more for 1080p. I mean, you can use 1440p if you're doing lower refresh rates and everything, but alright, so it's a it's not a super tall card, so let's bump it up. Just take it out of the box. So it's a nice little pamphlet. Oh, look at that. It's a little slip that comes with everything. The graphics card user guide. Actually, that's it. That's all that came in this thing. So it's nice, actually. It's a little bit of cardboard. You can make it at Michael's if you want, or get a print if you want at FedEx. No, I'm just kidding. It actually does feel a little bit cheap. It's just like a regular cardboard, like honestly, like a cardboard box you get anywhere, like a cardboard paper that you would get pretty much anywhere. All right. So thanks for choosing MSI. The product, cool, cool, cool. And here's the beautiful card. But you know what? We're gonna look to see if there's anything under. Okay, so just a regular box. Not a very interesting unboxing, so sorry about that, but let's open the card up. Just regular plastic wrap. Okay, so it does come with a plate, which is very nice at this price point. Here's a little protection. Make sure, you guys, you remove this little piece right here if you're going to install it. Of course, you don't want to, and look for any other plastics, but you don't want to make sure that's on. So look, heatsink's pretty nice. It's kind of thick. Not too bad, not too bad. It's definitely more of a smaller card. Here's my hand for size. So it has dual fans, which is very nice. Pretty nice heatsink. So here's the, looks like it has 1, 2, 3 display ports and has 1 HDMI, which is very nice. And here's, it just has a 8-pin adapter. So guys, so you make sure, if you ever do install some of these cards, make sure you take off the bottom piece, of course, and then make sure you plug in the pins. You have to do both. So I do have a 980 Ti. It's a little bit older. And then I do have a 2060. You're probably asking yourself, why are you comparing these two cards? Actually, 980 Ti is probably a little bit faster still, even at this year and price point. But we're just kind of comparing it for size and stuff like that. So this is another MSI card, obviously. Make sure it does fit your case if you ever get one of these. Usually the bigger ones, the more expensive ones, the higher end ones, and like the Asus ROG ones, they all are really big cards, and sometimes they're not going to fit in your case. These type of more lower ones are the dual fans, or you can kind of see the big difference on the size there. This one will probably fit your most cases, if not all of them, especially if you have like an ITX or MATX. And here's a 580 to put for a side for a gigabyte, which is about the same, but it's probably the same quality and everything. Just for size comparison, that's all. So, and here's all of them, of course, together. You can look at all of them. Okay. So anyways, guys, that's it. Just a quick unboxing, just a little detail that's going on. Just showing you some cool stuff we get in here sometimes. So, yep, I'm going to be installing this. I don't know if I'll make a video about that, but we do have a graphics card video if you want to check that out. It's definitely, I'll put that in the link in the description, actually, if you want to check out that video. Yep, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Subscribe if you like this content. Really does help us a lot. And we'll show you more stuff when it comes in. All right, thanks a lot. Bye, guys.